OnePlus last year made almost everything. They obviously make smartphones, but last year they made 6 of them for the first time. They made TVs, buds, wireless chargers, clothing, power banks and much more stuff. And now there is one more inclusion in the list. But before all of that guys, I wish you a very happy new year. I wish we achieve big things this year, and if you want me to achieve my goal, then you can do that just by hitting the red subscribe button. So we all have been waiting for the OnePlus watch. I have been closely watching the leaks and the rumors, giving you guys a ride along, but this leak caught me by surprise. A OnePlus band? What? How did none of us knew about it sooner, because it's scheduled to be launching really soon. In India, the OnePlus band could launch as soon as in January or in February, and it is all set to rival the likings of Mi Band 5, Honor Band 6 among others. As for the price, the band is going to be cheaper than $40, which in India should be around 3000 rupees or less than that. It should be right up against the Mi Band 5 at 2500 rupees. At first it will be launching only in India, and the global release should follow sometime soon. For the specifications, you could expect a water resistant build with an OLED display and a battery to last multiple days. It will also be capable of fitness tracking and heart rate monitoring, and changeable bands with some color options are also going to be present, among with all the things you expect from a fitness band. As for the physical overview, it would look something like this. Well, there's nothing special to look out for. There is the OnePlus logo, but also at least nothing seems to be missing. And to set the band apart from the rest, OnePlus band will be packing connected app software, to which will be a first for OnePlus. In all seriousness, this band will mostly be a rebrand of the Oppo band, and for consumers who aren't satisfied with just a smart band, there is also going to be a OnePlus watch. OnePlus has already confirmed that it is coming early this year, so there should be plenty options for fans of wearable technology in OnePlus's catalog. Now guys, with that, let me know, would you prefer the OnePlus watch or the OnePlus band? For me, I'll take the watch. Make sure to subscribe for other videos on the OnePlus product lineup. You can also follow me over on Twitter from the link in the description, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.